of your brothers and your sisters, don't you know say that is not right. Africa unite, I stop from fight. You're killing off your brothers and your sisters, don't you know say that is not right. Africa unite, I stop from fight. You're killing off your brothers and your sisters, don't you know say that is not right. Listen, Africa is my responsibility to see my people living up in love and unity. Marcus Garvey said this is the words of prophecy. Black people full of love, so there's a possibility amongst Africans who don't want no brutality. So killing what I want as South Africa have to flee. Build more schools like down the jail facilities. I set me royal African free. Alright then, boom. Africa unite, I stop from fight. You're killing off your brothers and your sisters, don't you know say that is not right. Africa unite, I stop from fight. You're killing off your brothers and your sisters, don't you know say that is not right. Africa unite, I stop from fight. You're killing off your brothers and your sisters, don't you know say that is not right. Listen, get to youth, you need to know Emmanuel. The black Christ of salvation up as I need well. Heads of government, the people, them are gonna rebel to the system where you create of us living in hell. Time ago come, you cannot buy nor sell. Babylon is falling, yo, the time can tell. Africa unite, come back, we break them spell. Bless us, just us, Emmanuel. Yo, hey, yo, hey, yo, hey. Africa unite, I stop from fight.
Black Star Movement, Africa Connection, 2020.
Africa unite, I stop from fight. You're killing off your brothers and your sisters, don't you know say that is not right.
Voila. Off a cliff. That's it. Beautiful scenery, you know? Whole lot of things. Giving thanks for life. Blessed.